Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start chapter number 1, that is large numbers. Numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are the most important tools in our day-to-day life. Okay? Numbers are the most important tools in our day-to-day life. We use them in various activities in different ways, like to know the number of students in a particular class, how many students are there in a class. For that we need numbers. To tell time, means if we have to tell time, then what we need numbers. To pay bills, to count money. So for all these activities we need numbers. So we use numbers in various activities in different ways. Numbers are endless, as every number is followed by the next number greater than it by 1. If we are having number 99, then what will be the next number? The next number will be, we will add 1 in this to get the next number, so it will be 100. If we are having 9999999 like this number we are having, then what will be the next number? We will add 1 in it to get the next number. Okay, so it will be this. Okay, so numbers are endless. numbers कभी ख़त्म नहीं होते. नेक्स्ट नंबर कैसे हमारा आता है? जब हम अपने गिवन नंबर में 1 को ऐड कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट नंबर आ जाता है. ठीक है, नंबर्स हमारे कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होते. नंबर्स आर एंडलेस. You have already studied the basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers up to 4 digit. Okay, you have already studied in class 3rd the basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers up to 4 digits. Before proceeding further, let's review what we have already learnt. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the largest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the largest 4-digit number is 9999. When we write a number using comma, it becomes easier to read and write. Let's consider this number. See, it becomes bit difficult if we write it like this. If we write a number like this, it becomes bit difficult to read and write. But if we place comma in this, see where we place comma. This is ones place, this is tens place and this is hundreds place. Okay, ये आपकी ones place होती है, ये tens और ये hundreds. And after that we place comma. Okay, now it's easy to write the number name of this number. See, this is 8478. Okay, when we write a number using comma, it becomes easy to read and write. See, here I have placed a comma. Now this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place and this is thousand place. Now we can easily read it. This is 8478. Okay. Let's now review ascending and descending order of numbers. First comes ascending order. When the numbers are written from the smallest number to the largest number, then the numbers are in ascending order. Okay, when we write the numbers from the smallest number to the largest number, then the numbers are in ascending order. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose we have to arrange all these numbers in ascending order, then how we will arrange? First of all, write the number using comma. See, here we will place comma. We place a comma after the ones period. That means we place a comma after ones, tens and hundred. After 100, we place the comma. In this, here comma will come and in this, here comma will come. Now this is 2782. This is 7822. This is 2278 and this is 8722. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, and ascending order means arrangement from smallest to greatest. Okay, so here just compare which is the smallest number. See, this is 2782 and this is 2278. That means this number is the smallest number. So you will write 2278 at the first position. After that 2782 will come. Okay, and after that, see, now we are left with two numbers 7822 and 8722. Out of these two numbers, which is smaller? See, 7822 is smaller, so this 7822 will come at third position, and after that 8722. So this way we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, ascending order means arrangement from smallest to greatest. Next comes descending order. What is descending order of numbers? When numbers are written from the largest number to the smallest number, then the numbers are in descending order. Okay, what is descending order? Descending order is the arrangement from largest number to the smallest number. Suppose we have to arrange these numbers in descending order, then how we will arrange? First of all, write the number using comma. So here I am placing comma. We place first comma after the three digits. Once, tens, hundred. After that we place comma. Okay. Now just read the number. This is 5207. This is 1708. This is 1075. This is 5710. And this is 2181. See, the thousand place of these two numbers is largest. Okay. In these two numbers we are having 5. In these two numbers we are having 1 at thousand place, and in this number we are having 2. Now we will compare these two numbers. Firstly, out of these two numbers which is greatest? इन दोनों numbers में से कौन सा सबसे बड़ा number है? देखो जरा. This is 5207, this is 5710. That means this number is greatest number. So this will come at the first position, 5710. Okay. After that 5207 will come. Now we are left with these three numbers, 1708, 1075 and 2181. In these two numbers we are having 1 at the thousand place, and in this number we are having 2. That means this number is greater than these two numbers. So this will come at third position. After that we are left with these two numbers. This is 1708 and this is 1075. So the thousand place of both these numbers are same, so we will check the hundreds place. In this the hundreds place is 7, and in this the hundreds place is 0. That means this number is greater. Okay, so 1708 will come at next position, and after that 1075. So this way we arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay, so what is descending order? Descending order is arrangement from largest to smallest.